Today I'm going to show you how to bring this photo to this photo. Let me teach you how to do this effect. Stay tuned. The first thing we're going to be working today with Photoshop, so you know what we're going to do already. We're going to open Photoshop. As you see, I have this photo right here, which is the one that I showed you before. We're going to turn it into a street light that it looks natural and it looks great. The first thing we're going to do in Photoshop, obviously, we're going to open a brand new layer. You can name it. Usually I name my file when I'm working with a lot of layers, so that way I know what layer is what. You don't have to if you don't want to. We're gonna go all the way over here to the left side. We're gonna hit on this polygonal, I don't know how the fuck you call that, but that thing with the weird. We're gonna click on it, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a weird triangle looking thing coming from there. You're gonna have a selection like that. That's good. We're going on the right way. Don't worry about it. It's gonna look better. So after that, we're gonna go right here on gradient. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna go from the top to the bottom, just like this. Yes, it looks weird. Yes, it will look better. Make sure right here you have the option on blues. If you have it in any other color, we just look different. Make sure it's blue. If you're lining on the photo, it's kind of blue looking, okay? So after this, we're gonna go on filter. We're gonna go on blur gallery. We're gonna go on fill blur. We're gonna make sure we either convert it to a smart object or we rasterize it. Whatever is easier for you. Just for the tutorial, let's do this. We're gonna keep it on the middle right here, and we're gonna bring that blur up so you feel a little happy. Somewhere there. You could bring it down if you want. Bring it up. But don't worry about it. There's another trick. Don't get all excited and mess it up just because you think it's not enough. Let's put it right here. Let's bring it just a little bit more. There you go. That's what I'm looking for. We are going to click OK. Yes, it does not look as natural yet. But don't worry, there's a trick that will make it look natural 100%. Let's just wait till that blur process goes through, and we're gonna make it look very natural. So once it's done, it looks a little fake. What you do is you bring the opacity down, baby. You keep going till it looks just alright. You know what? Let's do 45. Beautiful, 45 it is. You want to make it better? Let's Command J, duplicate. Let's make sure this is locked up so we don't move it. Let's select this one. V, Command T. We can move it to this one. Let's make it smaller so we can see a little bit of the effect. Right there. Just a little bit smaller. We don't want it so strong. Right, too small. That's just a nice tip. Enter, and let's bring the opacity a little bit lower because you know it's a little further. Boom, it looks even better. You could do that on the one on the back if you want. Just play with the details and make it look good. This is it for today, guys. I hope you like this tutorial. I don't know why I'm so excited, but I will see you tomorrow. Again, if you want me to teach you anything specific about photography or videography, leave it on the comment. I will take care of it as soon as possible. And be safe, babies.